What's going on, guys? Today I have an unboxing for you guys. I basically was on Amazon a couple days ago, and I've been looking for some dash cams for a while for my car. I never know what's gonna happen while we're driving, so I would need some proof if anything ever happened. You know, that's the whole point of a dash cam. And I finally ran into a good deal. Used the coupon. Dash cams by Anker. It's a really good dash cam that I found. Really good reviews so far. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the unboxing and open this up. Ah, man.
Boy, if you don't get
Alright, so here goes the dash cam. I'm gonna put the box away. So this thing I ordered 2 days ago from Amazon Prime. So it's by Anker apparently, and then the other company is Roav. I can't really pronounce it, but this is the DashCam A1 Nighthawk Vision with Sony Exmor sensor. Basically it has the features of 720p, 1080p. Pretty sure you can do 1080p, 30 frames per second, I believe. It said it in the box, I'm not sure where, but I know you can do 720, 60 frames, and you can choose between. It has an app, so you can see all the videos through your phone. You don't have to keep taking off the dash cam and with the memory card and keep putting in the camera. Keep putting in the computer, which can get annoying. It's a really nice box that they packaged up, really small. Right here it just says Sony Exmor IMX323 sensor features, Nighthawk Vision to clearly capture speeding license plates and especially at night. 145-degree wide angle view simultaneously records up to 4 lanes of traffic. It has a gravity sensor, which kind of got to me. I really want to test this out. It says gravity sensor monitors your car and instantly activates when jolts or sudden impacts occur. So basically when you're not in the car and somebody hits you or something happens near your car, it will actually activate and start recording. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box up, and let's see what's inside the box itself. So first time opening it up. It's a really nice compact box. So first we're opened up with when we open the box up, we see the camera itself. It is kind of big in my opinion, but once I do fit it into my car, I'm going to show you guys. Very compact. So let's put this away for a minute. So it's just a little flap that you take off. It has some instruction guides, probably some Apple stickers in here. Let's see, enjoy smart driving. Let's see. Oh, just if you're happy, please review this product or register it. And here goes the owner's manual. Probably recommend reading this. Has all the features that you can probably get from this camera itself. Take this other flap out. So with this dash cam, you have to set it up with the suction cup. So this is the suction cup, and we have, let's see, this is the car charger. So if you don't want to hardwire it through your ignition or whatnot, you're gonna have to do it through the cigarette lighter. And here goes the USB right here. And this USB is really long. So the reason why it's long is because if you're gonna have the dash cam by the rearview mirror on the top, you're gonna want to cover up these wires somehow through your whole panel. So that's really comes in handy. And the last thing that I really like that it comes with it is the prying tool. So this is the tool that you're gonna have to use to hide the wires through your whole dash where your windshield is. And it's gonna come in really good use. So let's take all this away. So I'm just really excited to check this out. Has a lot of good features. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up in the car and then show you guys some test shots.
12 seconds later.
it.